What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to explain what evergreen niches are as far as selling print-on-demand products. I'm going to have a focus on Merch by Amazon t-shirts. That's what I used for some examples in the video. And, we should also talk about strategy. When should you start focusing more on selling evergreen products as opposed to chasing trends? I mean, in my mind, every product niche is really split between those two. You're either trying to create a product that can sell year round, that's not time sensitive, which I would call evergreen, or you're probably chasing a trend. Anything that has a 2020 slant that doesn't carry over outside of 2020 is probably not going to make any sales, right? Or if you put 2020 on the shirt, how many people are going to buy that in 2021? Probably not that many. I mean, it's Amazon. It's a huge marketplace. I know some people will, because I've had that happen before. I'm like, why are people buying this? I should delete this product, but somebody bought it. That's part of the territory with Amazon. The longer you've been selling on here and the more products you have on here, the more you start to realize, holy crap, there's a lot of people that shop on Amazon, because I never thought somebody would buy this crappy design or this design that says, that has a typo in it, but that's besides the point. Anyways, in this video, I want to give you some examples of evergreen designs, some examples of trend designs, and some examples of both. So let's get started. Real quick reminder, in the description, you can find a link to my print-on-demand giveaway. Every week, 2 winners are selected. This week, sponsored by Merch Titan's Upload Automation, which I love. I run it all the time. I'm running it right now while I record this. Merch Ninja research tools, which helps me on my top 5 niches of the week videos, and All Sunsets premium pre-made sunset graphics. I use it all the time as well, a lot of times for my evergreen niches, which I'm going to show you in this video. So check out the giveaway. It's free. Link in the description. Also in the description, link to my free 8-day print-on-demand mini course, walks you through getting started with Etsy and Printful, and a link to my print-on-demand Facebook group. If you guys would like to join, that'd be awesome. All right. When you hear evergreen, what do you think of? I think, honestly, my brain starts to think of, do I actually have evergreen gum right here? What does this say? Polar ice? Let me see right here. This might say, okay, never mind. I had some, I was like, do I have evergreen gum? I do have gum here, but one is polar ice and one is spearmint. But my mind goes to like minty gum. But I know that in this context, we are talking about t-shirts, t-shirt niches, and specifically, we're thinking of things that can make sales year round. For instance, just looking at this animated GIF, the trees make me think of, okay, let's go into the tree niche. And people who love trees, you may see a spike in sales during the month of Earth Day, for instance. I don't remember what month that is. Is it April? You might see a spike in sales then, but your sales of that shirt, your tree lover shirt, is not going to be completely tethered to Earth Day. People who love trees might buy a shirt year round, especially if somebody's got a birthday coming up and they love trees. Their friends could buy them the tree lover shirt, give it to them for a birthday present, could be a Christmas gift, etc. So that's just one example of evergreens. But I thought, you know what? Let me just do this on the fly. Now it's pre-recorded, obviously, but I just typed in shirt for dad. So I went to my search merch tool, which I can put a link in the description if you guys want to bookmark this. It's pretty useful because it filters out non-Amazon merch listings. I guess it's not really required for this video, but I always like to use Amazon merch as the baseline for what I show. And I typed in shirt for dad, and then I clicked search t-shirts. Now the first product that popped up was this one. It says dad of the birthday girl. And the 2 criteria that you need to meet to either buy this shirt for yourself or be gifted the shirt and wear the shirt is you need to be a dad, and you need to have a daughter who's having a birthday. Now, most fathers, well, let's just say instead of most fathers, each daughter is only going to have one birthday a year. So you might think, this could be a trending shirt then, because it's only really relevant around your daughter's birthday, which is one time a year. Here's the thing. There's plenty of fathers with daughters having birthdays at different times. So this would still technically fall into the evergreen category. The second shirt, which I think still qualifies as an evergreen, says dad and has a battery graphic that's running low. And underneath that, it says twins and has 2 battery graphics that are fully charged. So it's a pretty funny shirt. Now, what are the qualifications to own this shirt? You need to be a dad. And you need to have twins. I don't know why I wrote twin daughters. I was probably still thinking of the previous shirt that says birthday girl, but you need to have twins. All right, this still should qualify as an evergreen, right? Because you can be a dad and you can have twins, and there's plenty of new fathers having twins every single day. I don't actually know that for a fact, but I'm pretty sure the numbers would work out. There's probably at least one new set of twins born each day to a father that didn't previously have twins. So fact check me on that one, but I'm pretty sure it's true. So this shirt could foreseeably sell year round to different people. All right, the third shirt says, I heart my dad. And the qualifications to own this shirt are you need to be a dad and you need to have children that love you. Now, this shirt, I am assuming most people don't buy for themselves, right? Most dads don't buy for themselves. They probably have kids that gift it to them. I'm sure this shirt sees an increase in sales around Father's Day, but also probably sells year round relatively consistently. You know, it could be gifted as a birthday present, could just be gifted for no reason at all. I see no harm done there. Just, you know, put a smile on your dad's face by giving him this shirt. What about this shirt though? Shirt number 4. It says, proud new dad. It's a girl. So a new dad just had their first child, and their first child is a girl. So a lot of qualifications there. It's not just that they're a dad, but they're a new dad. And it's not just that they had a child, but it's a daughter. While these qualifications are certainly ways of niching down into demographic and psychographic characteristics, I think demographic is the right word there, this is still an evergreen shirt when you think about it, because there's plenty of new dads having their first child, and it's a girl, every single day. So you guys get the point there. This also is an evergreen, but not everything is an evergreen. So I went ahead and I altered my search terms. I said, what did I say actually? I think I said something like funny St. Patrick's Day shirt for dad, something like that. And a lot of the shirts said one lucky daddy. And they had either the green shirt like the one behind me, or they had the 4-leaf clovers and, you know, the St. Patrick's Day slant. Now, one lucky daddy doesn't mean that it only sells around St. Patrick's Day, but it surely means it sees an increase in sales velocity around the holiday. And as you can see here in the screenshot behind me, by the way, shout out to Helium 10, you can actually get access to this. This is a chart that represents the bestseller rank of a product, which represents how well a product is selling over time. And you can actually get this for free. All right, you need to register for a Helium 10 account, but you don't need to pay for anything. So I'll put a link in the description if you want to check that out, and it'll just inject this into the Amazon product listing page once you have it enabled and you're logged in. So I'll put a link in the description if you want to check that out. Again, it's free. And you can see here that I went to all time, and as the furthest back data point it has is right around early April of last year, and you can see the BSR is quite low. And then it kind of gets worse and worse and worse and worse and worse. Then it gets to January 2021. Or sorry, that's 2019 initially. Then it gets to January 2020. Boom, falls off a cliff as we approach March, which is when St. Patrick's Day is. Then boom, similar pattern throughout the year 2020 up until January 2021. Boom, falls off a cliff again. That means lower BSR. Lower BSR increases higher sales velocity. And as you can see here, it's doing really well, selling very well as we head closer and closer to St. Patrick's Day. All right, let's breeze through one other example, one other niche. So I went to the search merch tool. I typed in funny nurse shirt. The first shirt that I saw said, I am a mom and a nurse. Nothing scares me. So somebody that's going to get this shirt either for themselves or from somebody else as a gift, they are a nurse. That's their profession. And they have children. They're a mom. That is an evergreen shirt that could sell year round to people of any age, pretty much at any time, right? The second one said, let the beat drop, with a picture of a heart instead of the O. And they have the, is that an EKG machine with the heartbeat? I think that's what it's called. And then it says adenosine or adenosine, ADENOSINE. Now, based on how well the shirt was selling, I'm assuming at least a few of you that are watching this video, if not the majority of you, and then I'm just going to feel dumb, know what that is. But the qualifications for this shirt is that you're a nurse, and that you know what the heck adenosine is, and that you're in on this joke, because I certainly am not. Maybe somebody can explain to me in the comments, but this is an evergreen shirt, I think, right? I guess I don't really know. I'm assuming it's evergreen though. Now, then I found on the same row at the top of page 1, so we saw those two shirts that I just showed you, the number 3 and number 4 shirts that Amazon is suggesting to me, and all I typed in was funny nurse shirt, were these two. They both say Boo Boo Crew, and the left one is a that's a 3-leaf clover, right? Isn't that supposed to be 4-leaf clover for St. Patrick's Day? I swear it is, at least for good luck. But you see like the green St. Patrick's Day Boo Boo Crew nurse shirt, and then right next to it, Boo Boo Crew again, similar design, big graphic, you know, great big bold graphic. It says Boo Boo Crew, and it's a rabbit, which makes you think of Easter, right? And what was interesting, and I circled it here, is that the Easter ones actually got a lower BSR than the St. Patrick's Day one. Now, granted, I mean, St. Patrick's Day, as of recording this on March 11th, is what, 6 days away, I think? So you're probably pushing it close to the deadline to get your orders in. But it's just interesting that, you know, I guess it's never too early for Easter because this shirt's already selling quite well. And I think I actually took a picture of the bestseller rank over the last year for Boo Boo Crew. You can see as it gets closer. Oh, actually, I'm, of course, blocking it. And I'm like telling you, oh, you can see, blah, blah, blah. Let me make myself invisible. And yeah, you didn't know I could do that, did you? Just made myself invisible with one click, huh? Power of green screen and technology. You can see in the bottom right corner here, though, that the BSR is doing quite well as it heads into the holiday, St. Patrick's Day. And here you can see Boo Boo Crew. You got the BSR over the last year. As soon as it gets to, I don't know what it is, right around like the new year, mid-January, everybody starts thinking of, oh yeah, I got to get ready for St. Patrick's Day and Easter. And, you know, we would project that these sales velocity will continue to improve as we get closer to the holiday. All right, and that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Do me a favor, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that like button if you like the video. Also, quick reminder, I do have a full print-on-demand course that shows you how I make 6-figure print-on-demand sales every single year. I did not skimp on creating this course. It's over 100 lectures, 10 modules, covers design, niche research, how to get set up on all the major marketplaces, and then at the end, it shows you how to use automation to both create and upload designs. So it's pretty much everything you need to succeed. Check that out, link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.